And oops, doesn't work, but it's reassembled. Don't know if this counts. I must have done something wrong with the reassembling. And I've done one shot before, which was not too successful, so I know the pins that are inside. Oh, that's also not so successful. Welcome to my contribution to Steel Pinnings TRI LOCK ATHON's event number 2, picking a decent lock, gutting and reassembling it. Here is my lock, a Yale 6-pin Euro cylinder. That's the pinning. I got it from Apache Locks board, so John, thank you very much for this lock. I cannot show you a timer at the same time because of my camera configuration, but I think it's easy to track this time on video later on. Okay, now let's start. Some crunchy clicks and got a little turn on the core. And it's open. I have to change the camera a little bit. Let's see. Get the vise out of the way. I think I lock it back up. Get the clip off. Insert the key. Turn it like so. That should be fine. Pinning tray. Standard, 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 standard and standard. All standards. So now to the drivers. Standard in 1, standard in 2, spool in 3, spool in 4, 5 is a spool, 6 is a spool. I think I have to get out the springs as well. Here is one, here is another, all the same. So I show you the pins, here they are. So now I want to reassemble the lock. I start with 1, 2, 3, let's say 3. Hope you can see that because I'm more focusing on the lock than on the camera. That was 3, so now we have to insert 2. Okay, then move on to the other half. There we have 4. Then 5. And finally 6. So the drivers are in. And now let's move on to the key pins. 1. These tiny key pins are the hardest. And maybe there is some counter milling or enlargement of the chambers in the plug. Maybe we will have a look at this maybe later on when there is more time. But now I want to reassemble the lock. So, and the clip. And back in working order. Yeah! Wow, attempt number 3 was that, and I think the time is pretty good, at least for my understanding. So that's my contribution. I hope you have enjoyed this little video. Thanks and happy picking. Cheers and bye!